Another video on web development with Python. My name is Ronak Vyas and this video is a collaboration with Programming Knowledge. So in the previous video we talked about how we can set up our application, how we have also finished the CRUD operations in our web application, the push-ups logger where you can log push-ups. So today we'll talk about something called as message flashing, which I have been delaying for the last couple of videos. So we'll get done with it today. We'll see what it means, how we can use it, and how it benefits our application. So before that, if you want to learn Python, if you want to understand how to write a good resume or a good cover letter, if you want to know how to prepare for software engineering jobs, for placements or internships, then my contact information is in the description, and we can have a one-on-one call where we can discuss all of this. So yeah, now that we have finished that part, let's see where we were before. So let me start my application. So it was in 5000. Yep. So this is where we were. We had a login sign up. Let's just test it again. So test. Let me see. Okay, so let's just make another one. So test user testing at gmail.com testing. Yeah, let's sign up. Let's log in. Testing at gmail.com and testing. Let's log in. Cool. So we have logged in and we are in our profile section. So you can add a lot of things here. I haven't. I just wanted to show you how we can add our current user information from the database to the page and how login session management works. But you can add a couple of things. You can add the name, the email. We'll add a forgot password situation later, but for now this is how it is. So this is our application. Let's add a workout to make sure that it's perfectly running. So we have our create operation right here. So 20 push-ups, did 20, gotta do a few more tonight. Add workout, and yeah, so this is what I was talking about. So these flashes which we need to fix, we need to change. So we need to see why this is occurring, what we can do about it, and how we can fix them properly and show the right messages here. So yeah, now that we have it here, let's go to all workouts. Let's go to edit and see if edit is working. So we did 21, did one more update workout, and yep, this is working properly. And delete, post has been deleted. Awesome. So yeah, we want to know what all of this was. So simple text which is shown or what operation has been done, but it is officially called as message flashing. So good applications and user interfaces are all about feedback. If the user does not get enough feedback, they will probably end up hitting the application. So if I add a new workout and I don't get any information about did my workout actually get added, I can see the workout that it has been added, but I also need some dialogue, that some feedback that yeah, my workout which I have updated has been added, or it has been updated or deleted. So Flask provides a really simple way to give feedback to a user with the flashing system. So the flashing system basically makes it possible to record a message at the end of a request and access it in the next request and only the next request. This is usually combined with a layout template that does this. We should make sure that some browsers enforce a limit on the cookie size. So if your message is really long for a session, then it will cause the flashing to fail, but silently. So you will not know that the flashing has failed, but it will show up when you are actually deploying your application. Oh yeah, by the way, so we will be deploying our application on Heroku so that we also finish the deploying part of our application, the DevOps part a little bit. So yeah, that is going to be the next video where we learn how to deploy our application on the internet. So let's see how flashing works. So let's open the documentation. Message flashing. So Just let me fix that right now. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. So we have a simple documentation where they explain how they flash you were successfully logged in. So if a user has logged in, then you say you use Flash, so you import Flash and say you were successfully logged in. And in the layout page, we use Ginger templating, and with messages we use the get flashed messages from the Flash uh, import. And once you get the messages, if there are any messages, so sometimes you don't flash anything, but you might when you have a post request. So there we can have if messages do this, and for all the messages list them out. And you have the flashes class provided by again Flash. So yeah, this is how it looks like, a simple with uh, statement with if, else, end with, end if, and you're done. So we have used this in our application as well, but since I have been ignoring the HTML part of it for a long time, we'll actually get into this. So first, let's see where do we actually use it. Where do we actually use Flash in our application? So first, we have our new workout post where we update or add a new workout. Not update, but just add a new workout. So we flash that the workout has been added to user workouts. So let's see what our user workouts look like. So user workouts is all about all workout.html, right? So let's go to all workout.html. And as you can see, with messages get flash messages, and if there are any messages, then notification is so we just skip this. We don't need this class right now. Let's just try this one. So class equal to flashes. Class equal to flashes. Yep, I think we're good to go. Okay, so we don't need that. So flashesh, if I'm right. Yep, good to go. So yeah, now we display all the messages and we end with. So we just used this example right here from the documentation. We didn't add anything else new here. And now that is how we implemented Flash in our application, and let's see where else we have done that. So we have done that in our update workout. So whenever there is a post for update workout, we show that user that the workout has been updated, and same for delete where we show that the post has been deleted. So this is how our application works. And if we go here, you go to add new workout, 23 and videos, add workout. The workout has been added, perfect. Our application shows it perfectly. And we go to edit, we change it to something else, update workout, and the workout has been updated. Same goes for delete. So when you press delete, your post has been deleted, and you can see that everything has been gone and your flash messages are being shown perfectly. So this is how we actually work with message flashing in Flask. A very simple, very common thing which people use for applications, which we need to know. So in the next video, we'll talk about how we can deploy our application to the internet and see how that goes. So yeah, thank you for watching.